In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Whimsical. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to learn and perfect, making your design tasks a lot more efficient. First, start by uploading or placing your image into Whimsical. You can do this in one of two places, either on a board or within a document. This flexibility allows you to work in the environment that best suits your project's needs. Once you've uploaded the image, get ready to transform it to better fit your layout. Next, click or select the image. Doing so will make the resize handles appear. These handles are small, square boxes that appear at each corner and on the sides of the image. They are your main tools for resizing. When you see them pop up, it means the image is ready and waiting for any adjustments you wish to make. Then, focus on the corner handles first if you're looking to scale the image up or down while maintaining its original aspect ratio. Simply click and drag any of these corner handles outwards to enlarge the image, or inwards to reduce its size. Keep in mind that dragging from a corner keeps everything proportional, which is important if you want your image to retain its intended appearance without any distortion. This technique is perfect for maintaining a clear and balanced look, especially if the image has text or important elements that you want to remain undistorted. However, if your goal is to tweak just one dimension of the image, perhaps to fit a specific space wider or taller than the original proportions, then the side handles are your best friends. By clicking and dragging these side handles, you can adjust only one side of the image at a time. Be aware, though, that altering only one dimension might stretch or squeeze the image, leading to distortion. Depending on your needs, this might be exactly the look you're going for, so experiment with these tools to find the best fit for your design. While making these adjustments, there's another thing to keep in mind, particularly when you're working in documents. You'll notice that images sometimes snap to the width of the document when you resize them. This snapping feature can be incredibly useful as it helps maintain consistent margins and alignment across your document without having to measure each image manually. It's designed to make your workflow smoother and ensures that your content looks neat and professional. With these tips in hand, resizing images in Whimsical should feel much more accessible and manageable. Take some time to play around with the various handles, and soon you'll find yourself resizing like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.